D here, and I want to go over the app that we're using online. So Quick Coach is the app we're using, and let's go through the tutorials on how you can use it while you're working out. So you can see at the top of the screen where it says welcome, your name will be there. This is me, so it says welcome D. Now, the next plan is going to have a very next workout that you're going to be doing. So right now, this is a 4-day-a-week workout that I am doing. You can see Megatron is the current day that I'm doing. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to pop up my workout. So the first thing I have is my dynamic warm-up. There's the 3 exercises that I need to do to get ready for my workout. So the first one you can see is cat-cow. Now, if I am not familiar with the exercise, there is a video that I can click on and see how to do the exercise, okay? Now, the next step is you're going to look at how many repetitions you have. So you can see I have 20 to 10. So that means anywhere within that 20 to 10 range. If I do 19, I'm good. If I do 10, I'm good. Now, sets, 2 to 1. For warm-ups, if you are feeling tight or anything far as stiff, doing more sets usually helps. Now, if you're feeling pretty loose going into this warm-up, doing 1 is perfectly fine. We're not going to worry about rest here because it is the warm-up. We're trying to get into the workout. For weights here, in this particular exercise, we're just going to use body weight. For some of them, you might see bands, sticks, and things of that nature for the particular warm-up area. Now, muscle pump, we shouldn't be getting the muscle pump in our warm-ups when we're working on hypertrophy because they are warm-ups. So we're going to skip by that, and you'll see the result box here. This is where we're going to put how many we did. So if we did, let's say 20 on the first set and 10 on the second set, we just put 20 and 10. And then we would click the box at the top, and that would mark that one out, and we would go to the next warm-up exercise. Now, once you do all of them, you click the triangle at the top, and boom, you go into your starting lifts. You see the first one here is sumo deadlifts. So with sumo deadlifts, we have 10 to 5 reps, 4 sets, 60-second rest in between each set. Our weight is 95 pounds. And then at the end, we want to know, did we get a pump or not? And so if I was going to enter this, I might say I did. Let me change those numbers here. Let's say I did 8 on the first set, 10 on the next, and then 6 on the third. And let's say I adjusted the weight to 115. That's how I would enter that for me. So that way I can see it on the back end to make adjustments for your next workout routine. So I would know that, oh, they increased the weight and they did a lot of sets there. So they're stronger than I thought. Now let's say the weight was just perfect for you, so you didn't change the weight. You can easily just put these numbers here, and I know that you did 95 pounds at that weight. And as you can see on the bottom, for the last time you did this exercise, it tells me how many repetitions you did, so I can make adjustments in the future for you. As well, this one also has the video in case you forget how to do the exercise. Boom, you're going to just click these boxes off one by one as you do each exercise until you get to the Submit Plan button. Once you get to the Submit Plan button, you're going to click that. It's going to let me see that you did the exercise. You can provide feedback by either giving me a text message, hey, or you can record an audio message. Once you submit on that, you can either skip it or submit it. Then you tell me how the workout feels, skip or submit it there, and boom, you're all done. I got the workout, and now I can make an adjustment for your future workouts. All right, guys, see you later.